So choosing a fulfillment partner is a little bit like dating. Now, hear me out before you make judgment on that, because there are plenty of candidates out there, but very few of them are worth committing to. So here are the big things that you need to look out for when you're choosing your fulfillment partner. Number one, you need to make sure that they are accurately picking. So look at the statistics on their picking accuracy. You can do that again in conjunction with their technology. If they've got the right technology and they are scanning barcodes to pick the product, the chances are their accuracy is going to be a lot greater. Number two, you need to make sure that you're choosing a warehouse location that is going to work for you. If you're a small e-commerce business, you may want to pop in from time to time to have a look at your product. So choosing somewhere that is accessible is going to be extremely important. Number three, make sure you check out their technology. So is their technology conducive to your e-commerce channel or your sales channels that you're selling on? Is it going to work with your CRM systems, etc., etc.? So do really delve into the technology piece. And then make sure that they've got very simple pricing with no hidden fees included. And then, of course, you need to just check out the vibe of the business. Are they conducive with your brand? Are they going to be an extension to you and your business? Because that's incredibly important as well. You want a fulfillment partner to be exactly that, a partner. Someone that's going to work with you, somebody that's going to help you scale your business. What you don't want is somebody that is just another supplier. And then you need to check out the carriers that they're utilizing as well. Are those carriers conducive to your product? Are they conducive to the type of service that you want to provide your end clients? So again, all of those things are going to be incredibly important. Here at Diamond Logistics, we look at things holistically, and we've got lots of warehouses local. So we do tick a lot of those boxes.